Be sure to RSVP for your spot at our spring open house here at Austin-Weston on Saturday, May 12th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at our office in Reston, Virginia. We will be celebrating our 40th anniversary of Austin-Weston. We are going to be demoing Sculpture, which is a non-invasive fat melting laser, and also Halo for rejuvenating the skin and getting rid of fine lines and wrinkles. We'll have multiple vendors present, including Orthodontic Precision, KLS Studios, Allergan, and Care Credit, among others. Our 4 board-certified plastic surgeons will be discussing non-invasive techniques for rejuvenating the face and the body, as well as surgical options for improving facial, breast, and body aesthetics. This is the day before Mother's Day, so be sure to pick something up for you and Mom. You can schedule consultations to meet with our doctors on site. Register today for our open house at austin-weston.com/events.